Let's talk about how we can sort and filter results in a table in the browser. You don't always have to go to Excel to perform these actions. There are many filtering and sorting options available to you from this drop-down button right here. So as we click on this, we see immediately the first thing is it highlights which column we're about to sort or filter. So we're on the brand column. As you click on the brand to get to the menu, you see that there are several options that are immediately available to us that are pretty obvious. Sorting ascending, for example, or descending alphabetically, pretty straightforward. Sometimes we might want to sort by value. We might want to see this particular brand performance report sorted descending by retail. Let's go ahead and do that. We click on Sort by Value, and we're taken to another dialog box. The default value will always be the first column in the report. That's why it says $current there. But if we click this drop-down box, we have a lot of options. We can change this to Retail Current, or any other element that happens to be in the report. Let's choose Retail Current. If we want to sort from largest to smallest, we would leave this box selected. So we click OK, and the query is sent. Once the query returns, we'll see that the Retail Current is now the default sort key. You can see that plainly there. There are other actions we can take with this drop-down box. Let's take a look. Instead of sorting by value, we can also filter by the labels. So if we wanted to find all brands that begin with the letter B, for example, we can do that. Click on OK, and it will constrain the list of brands over here to those which begin with B. Sometimes that's handy when you're looking for something specific. Notice that it is still holding the sort order that we asked. Let's clear this filter. We didn't want B, we wanted something entirely different. So we're going to go to Brand, and we're just going to select Clear this filter from Brand. Another option you have, if you've made several different sorts and several different filters, is always to use that Reset Filters. This will launch the report again, and it will be in its default condition. Let's look at some of the additional capabilities from this drop-down Filter and Sort button. So we discussed how we can filter by labels, so basically making selections based on what it says in the column. We can also filter on values. So we might want to see a list of all brands where we're imposing some criteria on a measure. So say greater than. We want to see those with retails or $current greater than some number. So let's just say greater than $250,000. We click OK. And this filter is then applied right to the browser. So we'll see that brand salon at 4,500 goes away and is replaced by only those things which meet the criteria we selected, which is to have the current at greater than $250,000. And of course, we can always use that Reset Filters button to return this report back to its original condition. So I click Reset Filters, and it should push the report right back to us with all of the sorts removed right where it was, and it has.